Hello students, in this video we are going to learn construction of triangle. So here we are going to solve practice set 4.1. So there are three types of construction of triangle and there are three practice set 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. So first in this one we are going to learn one type of construction and based on that we are going to solve practice set 4.1. So let's start. So constructions of triangle. So first construction, to construct a triangle when its base, an angle and adjacent to the base and the sum of the length of the remaining two sides is given. So here, so for example, if it is ABC is a triangle, consider this BC is a base and these two एंगल्स आर एडजेसेंट एंगल, ये भी हो सकता है या ए बी, तो या तो ये दिए रहेंगे या तो ये दिए रहेंगे एंड द सम ऑफ रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स, सो रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स आर दीज टू साइड्स आर गिवन. सो इन दोनों को फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये 4 है एंड ये 4.5 है देन इट्स उसका सम कितना होगा 8.5. एक बेस दिया रहेगा एंड एक एंगल, इन दोनों में से कोई एक एंगल एंड इन दोनों का सम दिया रहेगा. देन हाउ टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्रायंगल. So practice at 4.1. First question. Construct triangle PQR in which QR equal to 4.2 centimeter, M of Q or measurement of angle Q equal to 40 degree and PQ plus PR is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So here first draw a rough diagram. So rough diagram is like, so here base is QR and one angle is given that is 40 degree. So here join this one and it becomes this entire length is 8.5 centimeter and this one is 4.2 centimeter and this is 40 degree. So this triangle is PQR and write any point here that is S. So length of QS is 8.5 centimeter. So by using this measurement we are going to construct a triangle that is PQR. Here PQ plus PS is equal to PQ plus PR which is equal to 8.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो ये दोनों एंड ये दोनों मिलेंगे तो कितना होगा 8.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो विच इज पी एस इज इक्वल टू पी आर. सो देयर फोर दिस लेंथ एंड दिस लेंथ इज सेम. So here these two measurements are equal. So now construct a triangle. First take the base that is QR 4.2 centimeter. So 4.2 centimeter and it is QR. Now measurement of angle Q is 40 degree. So this is 40 degree. So join the point and extend this. Now take the measurement of 8.5 because PQ plus PR is 8.5, so we need 8.5. So this is 8.5. Cut this and give a name, that is S. Now join these two, S and R. Now take the perpendicular bisector for this SR. So how to take perpendicular bisector? So यहाँ से measurement ले लो more than half and cut an arc by keeping it on R. Now keep it on S and cut this point again. Now join these two. So now name the point of intersection this as P and join this P and R. So this is the triangle PQR. So here QR is 4.2 centimeter and this angle is 40 degree and this entire length is 8.5 centimeter. So here this one is perpendicular bisector for this SR, therefore this side is equal to this side. Similarly, we already proved this PS is equal to PR, so these two sides are equal. So it completes our question number 1. Next, move on to the question number 2. So here first we take the base and by using one angle we take this line and extend it. After that we have to add these two and the measurement we have to take here and join these line, take a perpendicular bisect and the intersection point is connected with R. So ये पहला वाला क्वेश्चन था. Next move on to the second one. Question number 2. Construct triangle XYZ in which YZ equal to 6 centimeter, XY plus XZ equal to 9 centimeter and XYZ angle is 50 degree. So first draw a rough diagram. So here we already know that XY plus XZ equal to XY plus XK equal to 9 centimeter. So here XY is cancelled. So XZ which is equal to XK. So construct a triangle. So first take the base, that is 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter. And give a name, that is YZ. Now take the measurement, angle Y is 50 degree. So here it is 50 degree. So join this and extend. we already know that the sum of xy plus xz is 9 centimeter. So take the measurement of 9 centimeter. Keep it in y and cut the line and give the name as K. Now join K and Z and take the perpendicular bisector for the side YK. Keep it in K and cut this and join the line. The point of intersection, this is named as X. So this is 9 centimeter. So entire from YX and XK. Now join this X and Z. So here this side is equal to this side. So this is perpendicular. So this side and this sides are equal. Give the name for this M. So it completes second question of construction. Next move on to the third one. Question number 3. Construct triangle ABC in which BC is 6.2 centimeter, angle ACB equal to 50 degree and AB plus AC equal to 9.8. So here AB plus BC, which is equal to AC plus AD equal to 9.8 centimeter. So here AB, which is equal to AD. So here first take this centimeter, that is BC 6.2. यहाँ पे BC, यहाँ पे B, यहाँ पे C वो भी ले सकते हैं, अदरवाइज ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं. So 6.2 centimeter. You can take BC like this or BC like this. So मैंने यहाँ पे B and C इस तरफ किया है. So I'm taking here B and here C. आप लोग उल्टा भी ले सकते हो. So here angle C is 50 degree. So join this and extend. Now take the measurement 9.8 because AB plus AC is 9.8 centimeter. And keep it in C and cut the point and give a name as D. Now join this D and B. Take a perpendicular bisector or construct a perpendicular bisector for this. And join these two. So this intersection point is called as A. Now join this A and B. So here AD and AB is equal. Similarly, these two sides are equal, and this is 90 degree and this angle is 50 degree. So it completes our question number 3. Next, move on to the question number 4. Question number 4 is construct triangle ABC in which BC equal to 3.2 centimeter, angle ACB equal to 45 degree, and perimeter of ABC is 10 centimeter. Here, how to solve this? Solution. Perimeter of triangle ABC is given, that is equal to 10 centimeter, but the side BC is 3.2 centimeter. The reason is already it is given. Now therefore AB plus BC, जो बचा हुआ जो साइड है AB प्लस AC इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 5.2. ये साइड दिया नहीं है, सो हमारा जो एंटायर साइड है पेरीमीटर तीनों साइड्स का सम, सो उसमें से 3.2 जो है उसको कट करना है. So here minus 3.2, it gives 6.8 centimeter. So here base is 3.2 and the sum is 6.8 centimeter. So how to draw the diagram? Here base BC equal to 3.2 centimeter and angle C is 45 degree. Sum of these two or sum of the sides are A B plus AC equal to 6.8. So here AB plus AC is equal to AC plus AD, which is 6.8 centimeter. So here AB equal to AD. So first draw a line base that is 3.2 centimeter and angle C is 45 degree. So join this. Now take the measurement of 6.8 centimeter and keep it in C and cut the line and join these two. So here give the point as D. Now join the D and B. Now take the perpendicular bisector for this and join this. And the point of intersection is named as E. So join these two, A and B. So here these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So it completes our practice set 4.1. In our next video, we are going to learn second construction and we are going to solve practice set 4.2.